Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am glad to see you here. So I'm gonna do another huge Zara haul, but this time it's spring. So I'm excited because there's gonna be a lot of like spring slash summery clothes that I got online and also in store. So I didn't do like a haul because before we went to Tampa, I did my friend and I went to the mall and got some stuff, and I'm also gonna show you guys how I wore them. So this is just the pieces that I didn't show in the vlog or I didn't film. So first we have here is this cute short. It's so, I mean, in the camera it's picking up really yellowish, but it's like yellow orangey color and it's very stretched. I believe this is a part of the Limitless Contour collection right here, and it's booty short. I forgot how much this cost because I already used them and removed the tag, but I'm gonna try to find them on the Zara website or the app, and I'm also gonna try to leave the pieces below if you guys are interested and you want to shop. So this is the kind of like a not biker short, but it's like a little mini cute short, and I believe I got the size medium, I think. Yeah, US medium. So this is medium, and then the second one I got is, I wore this already, the short one and this one, which is, this is a part of the Limitless Contour collection. It's this leggings, and I've been obsessing with this color. I don't know why, but I've been obsessing with like a sage green color, like a pistachio color. So this is leggings. They do come with a set, like a bra set, but I didn't get the not bra, but like a top. But yeah, I just didn't get that. I just got the leggings because I do have so many like tops already. So I just got these, and they're very stretchy, like very stretchy. I'm also gonna put a picture on how I just put like a white crop top on and just like some sandals. I'm gonna put the picture here. And then lastly is this jogger pants, another like, this is more of like a little dark, not dark, but like, how do you call it, like grayish green or like pistachio, and then this is more like limey green. For some reason this, I got the size large, but it's still a little bit it's a little bit, how do you call it, it's a little bit tight. But yeah, I got these and I wore this at the airport. It's amazing. I paired it with my sweatshirt from Missouri that I got. But yeah, this is this joggers, and they have a lot of colors. They even have pink. So yeah, this is still pretty good because it's still, right now it's almost gonna be springtime, which is still like a little high on 50 and like 60, and I mean, you can never go wrong with joggers anyways. And then next one is in this bag, and let me show you, there's more colors in this bag, and I can tell you the price because I haven't worn this yet. But look, there's more colors, and I'm excited because I'm trying to upload more pictures on my Instagram, and I'm trying to incorporate more colors in my life. And I'm really glad with my friend Ashley, because if you guys know me, I do love some neutrals. I like, that's literally it. Like, I just want black, white, brown, and that's it, like gray. But yeah, ever since my friend actually introduced me with colors, I'm like, I've been obsessing with them, and I'm still trying to just experiment, because with colors I feel like it's, to me, because I'm not used to wearing a lot of colors, I don't know how to kind of like style or mix and match the colors, but you know, I'm just experimenting. Okay, so this is the top, and I am not really good explaining colors, but this is how the color look like. It's like a, not green, orange, like a dusty orange color. And this is $19.90, which is, I got the size medium right there. Can't wait to style this. And then the next stop I got is like I would say like a ashy white color. It's a little cute top again, good for spring or like summer. And I got the size large because it's like they only have small or large. I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the large. And this is $7.90 right here. It's really cute, and this is the back look like, and the front looks like a little v-neck right there. So the next one is this top. I'm excited to wear this because I already have thing in mind, like I'm gonna go to a thrift store. I'm gonna thrift like a mom jeans, and I'm gonna like cut them into like a size of like a biker shorts and like a high mom jeans, high rise mom jeans, and I'll just like cut them if I can't, because my shorts, I don't want to like you wear the shorts that I have from last or 2 years ago that has like a, I mean, I feel like I'm still gonna wear them, but it doesn't look good on me. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna pair this with like a high-rise shorts, and I mean, you can still pair it with like mom jeans and stuff like that. But yeah, I cannot wear to use this or like wear them. This is $12.90, and I got the size medium right there. And then the last top is this. I don't know how to describe this top, but it's like just like a sleeveless top. The color is like light blue. Yeah, the color is light blue, like a pastel blue, and I'm excited because I do, well, I'm just gonna wait until it arrives, but I did order some blue pastel sandals, and I can't wait to pair it with this one or like the dress that I will show you guys next. But yeah, this is the top, just a regular like tank top, and size medium, and this is $19.90, and it's very stretchy as well, which is good. Yes, I got this long dress. I feel like it's like below the knee, and I got the size medium, and this is $17.90. I can't wait to pair this as well and wear this on the summertime or like springtime when it's really hot. And then the one that I ordered online, I received this a couple, I think 2 weeks ago, and I just now filming it, and I want to show you guys what I got. Let's see, let me just open this real quick. All right, so the next one is this little cute crop top, like a silky crop top, and oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. I feel like I'm gonna pair this with like a very colorful short, maybe like a yellow short or like just bright short. White always goes along with like a colorful, like how do you go, colorful shorts or maybe like pants. So yeah, this is the top look like, and this is in the back. Look like it has like a little how do you call this thing, I don't know, I forgot, but yeah, it's cute. And this is the size medium, and this is $25.90. So the next one we have, oh my goodness, I'm excited to wear this as well. This is a yellow top. I do have this on color white and black, of course. If you know me by now, I already have the regular basic colors, and when I saw that they have the yellow, like the colorful ones, like they came up with colorful ones, I'm like, I have to have it. And this one is cheaper because this is only $5.90. It's a really good crop top, like a basic crop top. This is really good, especially like I said how many times, it's good for spring and summertime. So I can't wait to to wear this as well. And I got, what size did I get? Medium. I got the size medium. And this one, oh my goodness, I have a lot of tops. Okay, I have a lot of tops. So this one is in color like lilac lavender purple color. It's another crop top, and this is size medium, and the price is $19.90. Look how cute this top look like. I love that little detail. Just the back look like, oh my goodness, I cannot wait. And I cannot wait to shoot more like pictures, and my feed is like literally coming a long way. And okay, so the next one is this. This is kind of huge. What did I order? Okay, this is a size large. I don't know why I ordered a size large, but this is a little bit bigger. In this, like, I feel like, I don't know if this is tealish or like bluish color. I don't know how to describe colors, you guys. I'm sorry about that. There's another crop top over there, and this is $12.90 in the size large. And then last but not least is this short that I cannot wait to wear. So I did order like the same, not the same, but well, it is like a same top but different color, which is yellow. I think you guys are gonna see the vlog first, which is I show you guys what I got. But yeah, this is the short. I ordered a short which is in the size large, and this is $25.90. Look how cute the short is, and the color as well. It is so freaking cute. Like, it's cute, like it's screaming springtime 2021. It's amazing. And I think that's all I got from Zara, you guys. So if you guys want to see how I style them, please follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put it here because I'm gonna try to put more colors in my feed, as you guys can see already on my previous post. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you made this far. Might as well subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next vlog or video. Bye.